Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nenye. Welcome back to Nenye's Diary. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and yeah, please do remember to subscribe. So it's been a long time since I stopped doing my workout routine. So today I and my brother will be doing some workout routine this morning, and yeah, you guys will sit back, relax, and I'll be right back. Oga, Nenye. Ngayata gena biko.
Do I blame you?
Of course, you have to. It's for our own good as well. Nenye. Nenye.
Don't stop that thing now.
I'm gonna be your coach today. All right.
Okay.
Your coach. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come in.
Don't come and kill yourself.
Good for you, baby. All right. One more. Alright. Here we go. Thank you. I didn't really do much today, but yeah, I'm done. It's better than doing nothing because it's been a long time. It's been up to 4 months. Like since this year, I don't think, like since this year, I've not exercised. So, yeah. Whew. So guys, these are the ingredients for making this vegetable sauce. This is our blended pepper and onion, our chopped onions, my already cooked meat, my blended crayfish, green vegetables, and yeah, here I'm going to be using 1 seed of tomatoes, which I've already chopped. So guys, let's begin. Hi. Don't we look alike? Eh? Don't we look alike? Oh, you say hi now. Because say hi. She's shy. She doesn't want people to see her. Ne? Eh? Say something to my people. Say hi, Biko.
Hi. Okay, hi.
Oh yeah, Biko, look at the camera now. Abba, look at the camera. Eh? And soon we'll be releasing a video together, and yeah, you guys will get to know her more. How they sell this one?
Which one?
This thing, how they sell?
100 naira.
Okay, this one are 50. This one how much?
250.
Really? 250. No, give me this one. No, give me this one. Yeah, one was running in now. Yeah. Alright, thank you. Sorry, I started this video. From here, I got to miss you. Like, I'm trying to be bony now, but my head was still full. I thought missing can see me the expert safe.
People just want to know virgin hair for.
Okay, because no natural hair. Man. But anyways, I'm still going to redo it back. I like the hair. I got my hair back. So guys, this is officially the end of this vlog, and if you really enjoy watching this vlog, please leave some comments in the comment section, and also please don't forget to subscribe to this awesome channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.